today we are off to Mallorca. You can probably tell that by the name of the vlog. But we're at Bournemouth Airport. We are taking the early morning flight. Early morning?
Very early.
Very early. Whose idea was this? Over to Palma. So yeah, join us. We're going to go for a bit of adventure. We're going to have a look around. It is a package holiday, which we don't really do. So yeah, new for us. We are flying with TUI into Palma, as we said. They'll pick us up in a coach, they'll take us to the airport. You know how package holidays work. If you don't, you're going to learn something too. But yeah, no hire car on this one. We are not doing our own adventures in regards of, you know, driving around the island and stuff, are we?
No, not this time.
Not this time. But yeah, we're going to do a couple of tours whilst we're there. We know Mallorca quite well, so we are going to be using public transport and getting out and about and doing things. So yeah, join us and let's see what we can find today. Quick tour of Bournemouth Airport. Smoking area, duty free, bar, play area, shut cafe, W.H. Smith's, gates. Completed it, you're welcome.
We're just waiting to collect our bags. There's a vending machine. In case you didn't get anything on the floor. There is a Bureau d'Auchange. In case you waited till today to get your euros. We are at baggage claim number 1. And I am just waiting for Jay to pick up our cases. Let's see if we can find him. I bet mine comes off last. There he is. None of our cases are here yet. Let's hope he hasn't missed it. And then I'm guessing, once we have our cases, we need to go to the left to get out. Over there. Woohoo! We got our cases, and now we need to go and find our bus. Let's just hope it's not gone without us, because we have been about 15-20 minutes.
You're joking, aren't you?
How long has it been?
We landed an hour ago.
No, we did not.
We were 13 minutes late. We landed at 10:28. It's now 11:28.
Ah.
If you're flying from Bournemouth, don't get there first. Your suitcase will be coming off last. You're welcome. Alright guys, just checked in, 11:07, to superior high floor room, bathroom, shower on 6th floor. I will struggle, but that is not a problem for me really. I will be fine with that and sitting down. Toilet and bidet, and then sink, mirror, you're welcome. The wife in the mirror, you're welcome. Little mirror, hand wash, we've got hairdryer, bin, stool, cups. It's nice, really clean, smells really nice in here as well. And then into the bedroom. Did ask for double, we've got twin, but that is not a problem at all. Got plugs on both sides, switches on both sides, reading lights on both sides. Extra plug down there in the corner as well. Chair, we have got a fridge with 2 little waters in it, thank you very much. Tea and coffee making facilities, TV, little backlight on there as well, nice little touch. Extra plug socket there, bin, another chair, luggage, and wardrobe side of things. Extra lug, we've got extra bedding, sheets, safe, hanging space, we're hoping. Hanging space, oh wow. Oh, I get lost in there, blimey. And then, what you really paid for. Oh, that'll set the vertigo off. There we go. Yes, please. And if anyone who remembers, back in the day, Simon Cowell's house, when he used to do the judges on the X Factor and the other things.
not does she mean to go on?
Let's wrap up day one. So, Brit Exec Airport class, Michael Hicks, legend, love you. Yeah, we like airports, we like travelling. The man just can't do wrong. He's early, he's texting you, he's liaising with you beforehand. He checks your flight before he leaves. He's just a great guy. Shout out to Mike, thank you very much. Bournemouth Airport is what it is, serves its purpose. It gets a lot of slack, it has done in the past. It's changed its name more times than it was clean, it was tidy, everything worked, we were through, everything was fine. We had to walk to our plane. I'm pretty sure they cut down on fuel costs flying to Spain because of how far we had to walk to the plane. So yeah, if you are have any mobility issues or something, then probably best to check with TUI, Ryanair, whoever else you fly with, because it was a long walk. The flight, I blinked and it was over.
I was asleep.
Yeah, it was really quick. Staff were really friendly. They came round with the drinks, they came round with the duty-free stuff. All really fine. Toilet was fine. Palma Airport is huge.
Busy.
It's getting bigger. I've never seen so many e-gates in my life. Honestly, it was about 70 e-gates they've put in, and there's no queue. You just walk into a hall and it's just 70 e-gates down the wall, and you just go to whatever's free. That was fine. We were off the plane, into the bus, into the terminal, through security, through the passport thing, and at the baggage claim within about, it was under 10 minutes, wasn't it? It was quick. And then we waited about an hour for our suitcase. We were late. So we did take off a little late from Bournemouth. We got into Palma a little late. Whether, you know, the baggage peeps had to run away, I've never had a problem here before. You've been here with me before. We didn't have a problem that time.
I think we got unlucky.
I just think we got unlucky. And then the transfer was here. We got in. I think there were 4 hotels before us on this one.
Yep.
We weren't going to get a taxi. It's new for us, you know, the whole package holiday stuff. But yeah, we got here within an hour, which isn't too bad. Reception was busy. That wasn't just our coach that was coming here. There were a few, and the others got here before us. So we waited in reception for about 40 odd minutes, didn't we?
But our room was ready.
The room was ready. We were amazed. So I was going to come up with a top tip. If you're travelling on a package holiday and you go into a hotel early, pack some clothes in your hand luggage. Just a pair of shorts, a pair of flip-flops, bikini, whatever you ladies need. You can pack a bikini, guys, if you want to. It doesn't bother me too much. I didn't. But the room was ready, and we were here at lunchtime.
Yeah.
So we literally got up to the room, we unpacked a few bits, we chucked on some fresher clothes, and went down for lunch. And then we were wowed. We saw some reviews about the food. If you come here and can't find something wrong. You've probably seen the footage by now. Good. Yeah. Lunch was good. Dinner was good. Snack bar good. Yeah, at the moment,
no complaints.
Yeah, can't fault the place. Nitpicking, USB plugs maybe in the room. If I was really going to nitpick, and a couple of the lights don't work. Nitpicks, not going to bother us too much. But that's us, and that's the end of day 1, and we will catch you in the morning.